Over here, we're still doing two. Hey, Lee, that white GMC pickup? Hey, a guy's down there in a green hard hat. There was a loader with Ford's going to unload some concrete blocks or something. It's right past him is where you'll be. I'm looking right ready. Yeah, Dan, it was just 4 yards.
Take the next left onto Partridge Road, then turn left onto Habitat Road.
See what I'm talking about, Speedo? It's right there where the new overpass is going to be, where you can go up on top. You just stay down there, service road, and drive right by it, and it'll be right there on the right. There, man. It looks like it's all the way up to them, and they want me to turn around. Yeah, it's easier to go to the end of that overpass and turn around wider. Yeah, I'm already back up about halfway down the road. Nah, Kimbo.
I know, man.